Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of October 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus. So let's see what is coming up for Taurus for the month of October. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading plus color cards as well, and we will also add cards to see what major shifts could be coming up for you in your life in the month of October. So stay tuned for all of that. But yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages which resonates and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well in the description box. So Taurus, let's find out how the month of October is going to be for you guys. Let's see. Seven of Wands. I feel like you are going to feel very excited, prepared to take actions, to do the things that you might have felt lately that you are not ready and prepared for, be that in love, work, home life situation, the decisions that you were pending or you were not taking. I feel like you're gonna feel prepared to take those decisions. So no more delays, no more waiting period. I feel like you are going to take action in the month of October towards whatever it is that you had been ignoring to take the decision in. The Temperance. Yes, it's the same message with the Seven of Wands paired with the Temperance. Whatever that you were waiting for, I feel like no more of you waiting for anything. You are going to be ready to take actions towards making your life better, basically. Then we do have the Chariot, and that too, it's as you choose, as you tell yourself, now I'm ready and prepared, and I'm ready to um, do the right thing now, take the inspired action now. You will see a rush of energy in your life. You're going to feel like everything is going to start moving at a fastest pace ever. For majority of you, I feel like it's going to be a very busy month. The month of October is going to be a month where everything is going to be happening so fast and quick that you have no idea about. And now I feel like for majority of you, maybe since your life had become so stagnant, so blocked, so slow, that these changes are going to kind of start getting you anxious or upset, or there will be unsettling energy around you. Why? Because you're gonna feel like why it's happening so quick, why it's happening so fast. So I feel like whatever you were wishing, hoping to do in future for yourself, you will be doing all those things in the month of October. So I feel like it's going to be a very quick month for you. You will be doing lots of things in your life, and the things that you had put on hold. So it's not going to be you will be busy with things that you don't want to deal with. You will be dealing with the things that you want to deal with. And I feel like there are so many things that you want to deal with right now, and you will be getting on to all of them, be that in love, work, or home life situation. But yes, I feel like you are so excited to get on this journey for yourself, so you would be enjoying this time. But at the same time, yes, since you might have become so habitual to the easy laid back energy where you're not taking much actions, and you're just going about your life in a go with the flow way. I feel like things are changing, and that's going to be the thing which is going to trouble you a little bit. But yes, you are prepared for these kind of situations, basically. Let's see more cards here. The King of Pentacles, the Empress, the Magician. Everything is fixing up for you magically, and I feel like if you had hold your love life decisions, because you were too focused on your career path and other areas of your life, I feel like now you're prepared to take those actions, to take those decisions. You might be traveling towards someone, you might be accepting a proposal from someone as well. But yes, I feel like now you're so ready and prepared for taking the opportunities that you were given before, but you were not readily taking them. I feel like for majority of you, you are going to accept love offer from a specific someone from the past, which you were not ready to accept earlier. Now you are doing that because now you feel you are prepared for this kind of connection. On the deck, we do have the Seven of Swords. So yes, it's again the same energy. Now you are prepared for something which you were not prepared for earlier. So I feel like it's a major shift that's going to be happening for you in your love life. Let's see what else is going to be the major shift coming up for you in the month of October. The Hangman, the delays that you had been having, they are definitely going to go away. No more stagnation and new beginning, and that too fast-paced, passionate, and exciting. Let's see one more card. Justice. You will be doing justice to yourself and to the situation that you are dealing with, and to the person that you will be dealing with as well. So I feel like it's going to be overall a blessed month, where your life is going to start moving forward at a fastest pace ever. And I feel like, this is something that you also want. Like, you also want and wish the same thing. You really want your life to move forward. God will lead the way for you. Just take first step, and everything is going to be sorted out by the heavens. They are your wish fulfillment, fulfillment. And whoever it is that you're dealing with, this person is really somebody who is very important to you, but you were not considering them earlier, not because you didn't want them, just that you had other things to deal with. You might have been having family issues and pressure. Love is in the air for sure. Now you're pursuing your love life, and now you're choosing that one person over anything else, because you feel that you have learned what you were meant to learn. If you were in a karmic cycle with your person where you were going on and off, now it has come to an end, and now you have learned it, and now you're taking action. Now you're prepared for the connection, and for the offer that was given to you earlier. So you are going to be readily pursuing it. Dream big, you will get it all. I feel like it's high time that you dream big and get it all. Whatever it is that you desire will be given to you, because I feel like this energy that is changing for you is going to make you the magician of your life, because I feel like your love life is going to blossom in the month of October. But your career finances had been blossoming since forever. But yes, the only issue, the only stagnation was happening in your love life, and I feel like now is the time, and that too is going to start moving forward, so which is a beautiful energy. Let's see what color is going to be lucky for you in the month of October. So there are going to be no more delays in your love life for sure. This shade of orange is going to be lucky for you. Be spontaneous and have fun. Number 17. 17th of October could be a significant date for some of you as well. Or maybe you had met your person for the first time on the 17th of any month. But yeah, let's see what else do we have. My happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe. So make sure whatever you are choosing to take step and action towards, have strong faith around it, and know that you will be getting what you want. Whatever you are taking action towards, you will get the success in that. For instance, if you are going back to a past person and accepting their offer that was made to you earlier in the past, reach out to this person, take action towards this person with a firm faith. The universe has kept that person reserved for you still, and go with that level of faith in the universe and in the divine timing towards this connection that you have with your person, so you could get the success that you seek. Don't be fearful around it. Take action. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. If you have been having a pull towards a specific person or to reach out to them, make sure you take that action, because this is something which is divinely guided to you. So yeah, let's see the last card here. Let's see what else is coming up for you in the month of October. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So I do see you will be going towards the one that you love. You will be making that romantic gesture towards the one that you loved. Maybe you were putting your love life on hold, but now no more of that, and you are going to give your time and energy to your love life. You feel like you are now prepared for love life, and which you were not prepared for earlier. There were certain lessons that you had to learn, and now you have learned those lessons, and now you're ready and prepared to give time and energy to the one that you love, the one that who loved you as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe till I do the next read for you guys. Take care. Bye.